There are several discussion forums or discussion boards in this course. They're not required of coursework, and you don't have to participate in any of them. The discussion forums in this course are simply places for you to ask questions. We have discussion forums specifically for asking questions about the course site and other technical issues. We have a discussion forum for general questions about the course that aren't related to any of the specific lessons. This would be a place to ask questions such as, how long do I have to complete the course? Or, I'm visiting Bowling Green and would like to visit Lehman Avenue Church of Christ. How do I get there? And finally, we have a discussion forum for each lesson. As you might think, these forums are for lesson-specific questions. But if you don't know which forum to post your question to, just pick a forum and post it there. The forums are monitored by the administrators. To post in the discussion forum, simply click on the title of the discussion forum that you wish to participate in. Click Add a new discussion topic. Type the subject of your topic and then your message. Before you click Post Forum, let me show you this. You can choose to subscribe to this discussion, and you can choose to subscribe to this forum. Subscribing to the discussion will send you an email whenever anybody replies to your post. Subscribing to the forum will send you an email anyone posts anything to this forum. For example, if I subscribe to this forum, then I will receive an email anytime anyone posts anything in the Q&A Lesson 0, the books discussion forum. You can change this subscription later if you want to. Once you have your subject and your message, and you've chosen to subscribe to the discussion or not, click Post to Forum. You will see your subject or your discussion topic listed on the page.